Yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to a fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah, so I want to do this quick Neptune update, and people think Neptune is gone. Some also believe that on the 15th September, Neptune will officially open their withdrawing channel so that you can withdraw your money and you make a living out of it. And I have three questions to answer because lots of people have been asking me these things. So the first one is, if Neptune Network is gone, why would they even worry themselves to release Neptune Network audit reports? Like, why would they waste their time to release audit reports if they are gone? So you see, this is the audit reports, and if you want to read it, I will leave it in the description. I will leave the link in the description so that you can download the audit reports, and read it and see whether it's very real, original, or it's even fake. That one, if you read it, you will know everything. And some people were saying that why would they even worry themselves to release audit reports if they know that they are gone? It can be two things. It can be real or fake. Let me talk about the fake one, the negative aspect. Neptune Network will let you feel that like they will be in a system. So they are saying that they will destroy some of the NT coin. So you have to join a deferred trade. So since a lot of rumors were circulating that they are gone, they have to put the of this report out. And this one will even ginger people to even invest, because they know that right now the NT coin is what 2 USDT per 1 NT. So they will invest more. One thing about it, because if you say that okay, it's because of the audits, that is why they hold on with their withdrawal permission and everything. So okay, right now they have released an audit report, then I have to invest because it's genuine. That's one thing. And the second thing is, I've been in a lot of platform. If they are running away, bro, they will not even waste their time writing notes and everything. They will close their platforms. They are gone. They will not waste their time on anything. They will not waste their time on anything. So that then they will not waste their time on anything. They will not even post their certificates, their audit reports, and everything. They will not do it. They will just close the app. Yo, they are gone because we don't know them. But Neptune Network is trying to prove something, that they are not gone. Though they haven't been releasing posts on their Twitter or X accounts, and that sounds alarming. But why would they even be putting things out if they want to run away? Why would they even try to prove a point if they want to run away? It can run away at any time. They will not prove any point. So a lot of people have been commenting it's a scam under my videos like this. And one thing is, right now we can't say that Neptune is a scam or not. Let's just wait for the 15th. If the 15th reach and we can't withdraw our money and so on and so on, then we can conclude it's on a scam issue that they have scammed us. But for now, they say wait for 15. So you have to what? Wait for the 15th so that you know that okay, yeah, they are saying it. And I made a video about things you have to do or you may lose your account. I have come across a lot of things. Right now, the intent is to you'll be excited towards exchange your entity to USDT. So let's assume that 15th September reach and you say that okay, right now you update the app. If you update the app, they say like okay, before you can open your account, input your passkey and you don't have your passkey, how can you open your wallet and cash out from it? So I have made a full video about these things, that things you have to do before the September 15th or you may end up losing your money. That's the true thing. You may end up losing your money because like we have seen a lot of things like this. So that thing. Yeah. And I don't want you to be a victim. That's why I always do videos to tell you some things. Yeah. But me, right now, my problem is people are saying it's a scam. Meanwhile, they say you have to wait for 15th. Just wait for the 15th. And if you have NC Coin, released coin and you haven't joined the deferred trade, please join it or you end up losing your NC coin. You see, yeah, you end up losing your NC coin. So join it and listen. So when you open the audit report, so this is the table of contents. So the summary, you have overview, you have fundings. So you will know anything that's going on right now in the NT space. Yeah, you will know everything what is going on in the NT space right now. Yeah. And if they are running away, like why would they even waste their time on a 51 pages? Like yo, they will not waste their time on this thing if they want to run away with your money. They will not waste their time trying to prove a point right. No. There's their app, and they say that they have closed the app. What will you do? You can't do anything because you don't know the owner. The owner will know that this is the owner on like X. Maybe that one is not the owner. I'm telling the truth. Most of this app are generated by Chinese fintech companies. Is that thing? Yeah. So why would they even waste their time on a reports like this? So you just let's wait for the time. Like let's wait for 15th. This is so that we can judge that it's good or it's not good. But for now, I can't judge for now. Can't judge for now. Because like I've read through their audit reports. And that's why I said that you have to also read through the audit reports so that you know much about this. You know the reason why they are closing the withdraw button. So let's say if a lot of people are making money in the NT coin and they are not withdrawing their assets, it will help boost the market value of the NT coin. That's the same strategy they are using right now, and that's the main reason why I am saying that right now the NT coin is 2, so it's best for you to exchange it to USDT, because when they open the platform as what they are saying and people start to exchange their NT coin to USDT, it may fall again. So if you have the time right now, exchange it, because when they open it and people start to withdraw their assets, withdraw their fund, it will drop again. It can drop to even 0.00. I'm telling you. So you can what? You have to what? Withdraw your money right now. Like exchange your NT coin right now. When they open it, you cash out fast. Simple as that. You see, yeah. So this my quick update about Neptune, and I think we all have to wait for the 15th. That's what I will say right now. We all have to wait for the 15th. If it's scam, we will know. If it is legit, we will know. They have already timed us, and the 15th is not next year. It's just next month. So let's wait and let's see what's up. So thank you for watching me, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates about Neptune Network. I'm out.